Astrophotography is a very expensive hobby. I am here using a manual Dobsonian. Even very small accessory costs a lot of money. So it's very common to think you probably need a expensive go-to setup for viewing deep sky objects. I'm here gonna show you a alternative Astrohopper. This is a mobile deck which is used to use the Astrohopper app. I'm here pointed at the star Vega because I'm going for M57 ring nebula. Search the Astrohopper on the other phone and click on the first link. You're gonna see a lot of tutorials. Click next. If you wanna read, but it's okay. Don't forget to turn on the location because it works according to the geolocation. The main thing is to get the star right in the middle of the field of view. Click on the align button and there's Vega. Click on the Vega and wait for a couple of seconds, and here we have successfully aligned with the star Vega. From now we are good to go to any targets you want to see, basically. Here I'm gonna point it at the target with my old phone and use the Astrohopper on the new phone because the GPS on the new phone works pretty well. But for capturing, I'm gonna use the new phone. I'm gonna switch it later. You can search the job for M57 and move the telescope according to the Astrohopper. And you're gonna see it live on the capturing device. Wow, there it is. That's the M57, the ring nebula. It is almost zero error. We can see it in the live view on my old phone. Now I'm gonna switch it. Alright, now I'm capturing with my new phone. Just taking a half-second exposure. Try to see the nebula in the first try. Oh, I can see it. This is the first try. This is a single exposure of half a second and we can already see the nebula. The thing is, the rain is coming. I'm gonna get is just a couple of minutes basically. Let's check the Astrohopper. Just wow, it is still aligned. I have managed to capture 150 frames. Let's stack it and process. Let's see what we get.